Hello once again, welcome to yet another video. This is White Collar Forex, the home of professional trading. So in this video I'll be sharing with you a strategy that we use to trade NFP, or rather news, right? So there's basically three rules to this strategy. So rule number one is we always need to be aware of the higher time frame. In this case, when we check the higher time frame, we saw that the weekly was bullish. The latest candle is bullish, right? And it's going to close bullish. So we know that the higher time frame direction is bullish. So that is very important to note. And then number two, we need to note zones, right? Zones are very important. And number three, we don't trade the news itself, but we actually trade the results of the news, right? So let's get into the strategy itself. So number one, as you can see, this is the H4 of USD. The pair that we mostly trade with my team and I. So on the USD H4 time frame, we had a zone that we were approaching, and we marked the zone during the week before the release of NFP news, right? So we knew that price would have to bounce off this zone, but because we knew that the weekly was bullish, so bullish momentum, momentum was to the bullish side. We knew that even if it were to bounce off of this zone, the continuation would be bullish, right? So we waited for news to be released, and when the news was released, what happened was the news bounced off of this zone, the high time frame zone, and retested this other gray small zone right here. And then, as you can see, what happened was price then carried on going upwards, right? So what we did is we entered buys, and our stop loss was placed below the zone that price bounced off of. So we waited for the news to be released and for the news to react whichever way they had to react, and then we traded the results, which was the test of this zone here, and then a continuation upwards, because like I said, momentum was to the upside on the higher time frames. So guys, what you need to understand from this video is that news do not control the markets, right? What news do is they just catalyze certain moves. For example, here in this case, news catalyzed the move that had to happen eventually, which was that price needed to test this gray zone and continue upwards. As you can see, this is a trade that we are live currently in, and as you can see, the trade has been in profit ever since we took it after NFP news, right? So back to the rules again. Number one, check higher time frame momentum or direction. Number two, check approaching zones. And then number three, never trade the news themselves, but rather trade the results of the news, guys. So I hope this helps you to trade news in a less riskier way next time, in a more efficient way. So if you guys have any questions, don't forget to comment below. If you guys want to follow me on my Facebook page for any questions or any inquiries, I will attach my Facebook profile on the screen. If you do wanna join the White Collar Forex family, I will leave a link to our official website where you can join us or get some of our learning materials. Thank you for watching, guys. This is White Collar Forex, and I am signing out.